You actually don't see this a lot. We got the Bitcoin dominance here and the altcoin dominance here, both trending to the upside. So again, we talked about this earlier, how there won't be any meeting this month. Right? We won't have a meeting until 36 days down the line, and I think that April itself is going to be a bullish, very very bullish month. It's going to be interesting how we actually close out the month here for the BTC chart, but I don't want to per se just focus on the BTC chart. I want to focus on the fact that the dominance here for BTC is rising. I would love this to come down. You got this inverted head and shoulders here, so very very bullish for Bitcoin, as we are seeing Bitcoin sitting here above 70,000, a little bit down on the hour, but I think that the strength throughout the market is extremely strong, and we talked about this in the live, right? The live stream out. This could be the opportunity of generational wealth. We also have the altcoin dominance here, also on the rise. Um, Again, weekly charts, this could end up being a double top. Maybe we start to trend back down, and this could be a trap to get that last little bit of liquidity before we see a massive altcoin dump here. But we are seeing Bitcoin kind of, excuse me, this is the total chart here. Let me see if I got BTC. But we are seeing the total chart here, which is the total altcoin market, excluding, I believe, the Bitcoin and Ethereum. You are seeing the us cross back over into this zone, right? This zone of resistance that we've been actually watching, right? So will we finally break through this zone? We do have the Gossen channel in our favor here, and continue to have that bullish momentum, or will we once again get rejected like we seen from this wick candle here? So again, still in the overbought levels, but we haven't yet got any confirmation below 80 that we've lost that momentum. So it's important to notice that, because a lot of people don't actually point that out. And if we look at the others chart here, same thing, headed into that area of resistance. We got rejected once. We will be headed back into that area of resistance. A little bit more telling with the blue line crossing over the orange line, but again, no confirmation of loss of momentum. So this could either be a week where you see crypto and altcoins, Bitcoin go up, or this could specifically be a trap, as we have about 24 days until the next Bitcoin halving cycle. But I like to look at crypto from a long-term perspective. Again, guys, the Fed came out and said that we could possibly get three rate cuts in 2024, right? We're still in 2024. So at some point, when you look at June, July, September, November, December, out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of these 5 months, well, we can add, we know six could possibly be a pause, right? So out of these 5 months, we're expecting three cuts going into the election. What also a possible pop up of the STEMI package here, and as the inflows of the BTC continue to decrease from a monetary but you can see the volume, which is buy and sell volume, continues to go up. So again, this has been a onboarding portal of accessibility for retirees and others looking to secure wealth through future generations, because of the simplicity and accessibility of the Bitcoin spot ETF. And we talked about this on the stream, guys. Go check out the stream, how this is onboarding a lot of that retirement money, that old wealth that we see out there, finally warming up to people considering Bitcoin as digital gold. I also want to point out the fact that I believe crypto will be the currency for AI, right? Adding AI into the mix with something like cryptocurrency pushes the automating complex decision making, and kind of steps away from human error and even human fraud. Okay, so again, it just makes sense for everything to be moving to the blockchain, as we are seeing Larry Fink himself go on a press run talking about tokenize this, tokenize that, tokenize this, tokenize that. So it's kind of hard not to see why something like AI could be the future. But guys, let me know what you think, man. We are seeing some of our favorite meme coins. I seen Elon pumping; it was up at 18% of the day. I seen Jasmy looking like it's ready to make a move. Let me know what you think about the altcoin season. Are you prepared? Are you still on the sidelines? I just wanted to give a brief summary of some of the things that we talked about early in the live, because I just really think it's important that people understand that this is a generational opportunity, right? You missing out on this opportunity, whether it be crypto, whether it be specifically BTC or altcoins, right, could set you back. because a lot of this stuff is foreshadowing what's to come in the future, and you don't gotta really make it too hard, right? If you're a person that just deals with exchanges, there's some good blue chips out there. Ondo has been doing well. I like Axelar. Some good blue chips that are new projects if you're into new projects, and then you got the OGs like the ICPs, the Hedera's, the Chainlinks, the Algos, that will do well. I will say this: find you a good narrative, right? I personally like AI. I like the AI narrative. I like the gaming narrative. I think those two narratives are here to stay. Memes are good, but you see, man, some of these memes pump up, and then I mean they get to millions of market caps. I've seen a meme coin that I think, man, thank goodness I got out early. Pumped to millions of dollars and then rug pulled. So again, you just never know with meme coins, and this is why I think it's a little bit more safer. To if you're planning on if you're a holder, right? Let's say you got a regular job, you can't really focus on always looking at the chart. I can go into the casino, which Solana is a casino. Miles Dusha made a perfect example of why Solana should be looked at as a GambleFi project, GambleFi token in the GambleFi narrative, because it's literally you loading up your Solana for the casino, and you're going to try to hit, man. And I've made it very very clear, guys. I don't put a lot of money into that. I put $50 here and there, $40 here and there, sometimes 20, 25, but I'm not out here aping into Solana meme coins. I'm just, getting my 5 to 10x's here and there. Sometimes just a 1 to 2x. Sometimes you absolutely get wrecked. That's what happens, all right? So let's not just focus on the success story, because there's a lot of L's that you take when you go into that casino. So if you want to truly persevere your capital, man, look at some good stuff like Tau, AGX. Get you some good gaming tokens, Gala, some blue chips, until you truly understand how being a DGen works, how utilizing DeFi works, how to get in a project, get out. A little bit of TNA helps out with figuring out how momentum works. But guys, if you don't know what you're doing, I would stay away from that aspect of crypto and just focus on buying what you understand. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. Let me know when you think altcoin season will be back around. It's altcoin season here. We're pumping again, guys. Great Monday. We opened up well. Let me know inside the chat. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.